Hi guys, this is UTKARSH. This is my C++ lab exercise number 2, looping and branching statements. There are two programs in this. The first program is about an election. There are 5 candidates. The user will enter a number between 1 to 5 and that candidate's votes will get increased. In the end, the program has to display the total number of votes of each of the candidate. Also, the program has to display the number of spoiled ballots. That is, if the user enters a number greater than 5 or a number less than 1, so it will be a spoiled ballot. This is my code. Here you can see I have taken an array count which will store the votes of each candidate, and also a variable spoiled ballot which will store the spoiled ballots. Here the user will enter choice, that is the number of that is the candidate number, if ch greater than 0 and ch less than equal to 5. That is, if the choice lies between 1 to 5, the respective candidate's vote will be incremented, else the spoiled ballot will be increased. At the end, when this while loop will terminate, that is when the user inputs 0 and the while loop will terminate. At the end, I have used a for loop. It will print the number of votes of each candidate and the number of spoiled ballots. Now let us move to the second program. The second program is the user enters the total number of hours needed to install the hardware floor, and the program has to calculate the total cost which will be required to install this hardware floor. We have to calculate it like this. For each day, labor has to work 8 hours, and the remaining hours, the remaining days, and the remaining hours of that day is charged at 40 rupees per hour. So the code is like this. I have taken 3 variables: total hours, number of days, remaining hours, and one more variable, total cost. The user will enter the total hours. Number of days equal to total hours divided by 8. This will calculate the total number of days required to install that hardware floor. Remaining hours means if there are some remaining hours other than these days, it will also be saved in remaining hours. Total cost, it will calculate the total cost, that is 200 into number of days plus 40 into the remaining hours that the labor has to work. At the end, it will display total cost of the job. So this was the program. Thank you. Have a nice day.